How to skip Windows 11, force Microsoft account sign-in. You will encounter this normally after you reset your PC. Microsoft will force you to sign in or sign up a Microsoft account to continue using your PC. Now I'll teach you how to bypass this setup without signing in a Microsoft account. On your keyboard, press Shift plus Fn key plus F10 simultaneously. Once the commands prompt opens up, type this command: ncpa.cpl. Then press Enter. Then this kind settings will pop up on the screen. Disabled all the internet connection. I'm using only a Wi-Fi connection, so I will disable this. We can now close this and continue to the next steps. Let's go back into the commands prompt. We need to type another commands. This time let's type in OOBE \bypass nro. Look closely on the screen. Then hit the Enter. Your PC will normally reboot after pressing the Enter. After rebooting your PC, you've already skipped the steps of signing a Microsoft account. Just patiently wait the process. Now it's successfully bypassed the force sign-in a Microsoft account. You can now continue the setup without forcing you to sign in a Microsoft account. Set up your PC depending on you like to do to your PC. Just follow what I'm gonna do if you don't know how to set up a newly reset PC. You need to remember, setting up the region and language is depending on where regions you are right now. And as you can see, you have now the options to choose I don't have internet. In this matter, there's no way to force you to sign in a Microsoft account because you didn't connect to an internet connection. On this options, choose Continue with limited setup. On this options, it depends on you if what name of PC you like to input. And it also depends on you if you like to make a Windows startup password. Just leave it blank if you don't want to put a password. Now it's successfully complete the full Windows 11 setup without signing in a Microsoft account. Later, as you remembered, we disabled the internet connection. Now I'll teach you how to enable again your internet connection. On the search bar, type in again ncpa.cpl. You can press the Enter key or use the cursor to choose Open. Now I'll enable my internet connection, which I disabled earlier. You can now use your PC without any account signed in.